Hello everyone, welcome back to Sure Success YouTube channel. Today we will learn phonic sound of word OI. So let's start. So first word is OIL, oil. OIL, oil. Second word is FOIL, foil. FOIL, foil. Next word is COIL, coil. COIL, coil. Next word is SOIL, soil. SOIL, soil. Next word is BOIL, boil. BOIL, boil. Next word is COIN, coin. COIN, coin. Next word is SPOIL, spoil. SPOIL, spoil. Next word is TOIL, toil. TOIL, toil. Next word is NOISE, noise. NOISE, noise. And the last word is JOIN, join. JOIN, join. So friends, today we learned phonic sound of word OI. So if you like this video, like it and share it. Subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for new videos. Thank you.